welcome back to my channel. I am Labdhi Pasad and I make beauty, challenge and vlog related videos. So if you're interested then subscribe to my channel below. My hair looks messy, I know that because मैंने आज ही hair wash किया है, तो थोड़ी देर में जब भी सूख जाएंगे तभी मैं उनको कोम कर दूँगी. But before that आज मुझे एक surprise मिलने वाली है, which is I don't know. Okay, so मेरी बहन ने मुझे बोल दिया because I can vlog, and which is we are going to be making lipstick. So me, my mom and my sister are going there and we are very excited. Like I am personally really excited. मुझे कितनी lipstick चाहिए अभी, and मुझे lipstick का काफ़ी शौक है, तो यह बहुत मज़ा आएगा. So I just thought why not to take you guys along with me. I just wanted to share this experience that I will see. So yeah, let's go. How I look, the OHD of the day. Let's go, late हो रहा है.
तो these are colors and these are actually food colors. तो food colors भी actually दो types के होते हैं, एक natural होता है और एक synthetic होता है. So what we here use are natural food colors which are derived from vegetables, fruits, flowers as such. And I wouldn't catch a good name. Labdhi. Labdhi. Okay. How old are you?
I am 17.
Oh, nice. So till then what you can do is you can open the essential oils and you can smell them, and you can add up to 2 essential oils per lipstick.
after the lipstick making session. Now today I'm just going to review the lipsticks and basically swatch it on my hand. So let's start with our first lipstick. So the first one is the Cocoa, which is made by my mom. Now this is like a brown shade. Let me see that. This is like a really nice and brown chocolatey color. I'll just swatch it for you. Okay, this is how it looks like. Wait, you can't see it properly. It's like more on a brown tone, but you can't see it on the camera. Let me just, yeah. Now it's better. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to show my shade. Now I went more for like nude colors. Basically मेरी nude lipstick जो है वो ख़त्म हो चुकी थी, तो I was like, let's do something to calm eye. So this I named it a blush. So you could like customize and name your lipstick, which was so pretty and like personalized. So this is how it looks. It is like a nude lipstick, but on the like more on the pink side. Okay, this is how it looks like. You can't see like the perfect colors. Let me just try it this way. Yeah, this is better. Going with the last, which is of my sister. She named it Hustle because she really is like a hustler. So let's just watch it. I just love her lipstick. It's like a more on a pinkish side actually. Yes, wait, let me just watch it again. Yeah, better. Okay, so this is, you can see it as orange, but it is not orange. It's more on like a pink side, but yeah, it's kind of like that. My sister went for like mint and vanilla scent, like a essential oil. So jab bhi, you know, you just put on your lipstick, mint taste, not taste, but like feeling aati hai aapko lipstick pe. So that's really good. Okay, now talking about the review of these lipstick making experience. I personally enjoyed the lipstick making experience, but here talking about the lipsticks, now these are really good for like daily purposes, but talking about the negatives, ये ग्लैम लुक में नहीं चलेगा, ये बहुत देर तक नहीं टिकता. ऑब्वियसली दीज आर मेड फ्रॉम नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स, दैट इज द रीज़न ये बहुत देर तक नहीं टिकेगा, बट it's really good. If you want to, you know, contact them and you want to experience the lipstick making process, I will just put their Instagram handle down, so go check it out. That was it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, like कर दो, share कर दो और subscribe कर दो, and also comment down below your favorite lipsticks. So yeah, मिलते हैं next time. Bye.